Hello everyone, this is Eric Baird with ReLISTO, Leasing and Property Management here in San Francisco. Today I'm at 207 King Street. This is unit 707, top floor, and this place is amazing. This is over 1,000 square feet, one bedroom loft, 1.5 bathrooms, and it's just gorgeous. Parking, as well as some outdoors areas. But I'm gonna switch around here. But this is what you get to look at every day. That is Oracle Park, right there. This is a 2-story window. This is a top floor unit. Nice wooden floors here, but you're looking straight out onto the ballpark. And you know, this would be the southern entrance. And then there's the bay, just absolutely gorgeous. So let's take a tour. I usually start at the front door, but with this property, I thought we'd start in the middle. So I'm standing right here in the living room area. This is a den/alcove. This has been used over the years for many things. Office. Someone had a music studio here. Lots of opportunities to take advantage of that space. Turning around, we see the front door right here. That's the entrance of the unit, and then we have a kitchen. Those are all top-of-the-line appliances. Those are Vikings, those are Bosch appliances. You have a microwave as well as a garbage disposal there as well. And then turning here, this is usually where the media is put up. As you can see, there's electrical outlets and such. And again, this is a 2-story window. Motorized blinds, all electronic, so to make it easy for you. And then just turning around, we have Oracle Park. That's King Street right down there. You can see the train going by. And so let's go a little higher, and then let me share the rest of this with you. As you come through the front door, you have a nice coat closet here, for shoes hanging. As you're entertaining or as you're downstairs, there is a formidable bathroom down here. This is a toilet sink combination, and then tile floors. And then going through here, you can see there's a lot of storage. This is a huge bathroom. So, in fact, you could stick a kayak in there, I believe. So big. So it's definitely very sizable. All right, so let's go upstairs. Again, open staircase here, which is just gorgeous. You just are compelled to stop at each of the landings. You can see the water right there. That is a walking path. So you just go right out your door and you're on a wonderful walking path that goes along the bay. Now, top of the loft, this is the bedroom over here, but we have, again, really sizable closet space. Laundry is right next door. And here you go. Turning around. It should be noted that the painting and the carpets are brand new. The owner just invested in that, just to make this really fresh for you. Wonderful closet, lots of closet space in this property. Again, this is over 1,000 square feet of living space. And here we are in the bathroom. Again, very sizable. Turning around, tub shower combination. All right. Oop, there I am. Got myself. I always try to miss videoing myself, but sometimes I get it, sometimes I don't. But anyway, this is probably the fun view right here. As you look down, you really can appreciate how high we are here. And again, the ballpark, water. There is parking available with this unit. So see the ad to see the particular details. There's a Zen garden as part of this as well. And again, I don't want to diminish how close you are to everything. There's Caltrains. There's, again, another tram going by, buses, bike paths, shopping, stores right across the street, supermarkets right across the street. So it's really, really spectacular. let's get closer. This property, this building was featured in the Wall Street Journal. Owner is open for anyone to move in, but if you're a company and you're looking to have a property for your team, you can also see the Bay Bridge there in the Salesforce account. But if you're looking for a property for your team as a kind of a perk, we're open to that as well. So anyway, I'll go down on the street and walk around after this and also show you the Zen Garden. But I appreciate you watching. All right, bye. Hello, I'm just outside Oracle Park and right also in front of 207 King Street, apartment 707. I just wanted to give you a street view of what it's like out on the right in front of the park and how close we are to the ballpark. So if you're a baseball aficionado, or if you like a lot of the hustle and bustle of a great urban area, this is it. So right here is Oracle Park. And then as we switch over, that is the top floor unit, 707, is your future home, perhaps. So you have a commanding view of that. Just there's cars, a lot of people walking by, cars, as well as the trams. And then just right down the block is Safeway, a major shopping grocery store in the area, as well as a bunch of, nightlife, and then the parks as well. So we'll do the walking bike path next, and I'll show you how that is, and we'll go from there. All right, so with that, we're going to end it right here. So you can see there's lots and lots going on just around 207 King Street. Great apartment, parking, outdoor area, air conditioning, and you're right here in the middle of all this hustle and bustle, and absolute beautiful scenery. So see the links below for how to view the property and to apply and see when we're next showing. All right, cheers. We hope to see you there. Bye-bye.